If you have noticed your hard drive mysteriously losing space, Google Chrome might be the culprit. Chrome is silently downloading a massive up to 4 GB file onto your computer without your explicit permission. This file is called weights.bin, and it is a complete local version of Google's Gemini Nano AI model. It sits inside your hidden AppData folder in Windows, and today I will talk a little more about it. So, let's look at exactly what this file does, the hidden catch of keeping it, and the precise steps to permanently remove it and reclaim your storage space. Google added this file to run specific artificial intelligence features directly on your physical machine. The main purpose is privacy and speed. By keeping the AI model on your local drive, features like the Help Me Write text assistant, smart content summarization, and real-time fraudulent website detection can function instantly. Your text and browsing data stay on your computer instead of traveling to Google's cloud servers. The important thing is deciding whether these features are worth sacrificing 4 gigabytes of solid-state drive storage. For users with smaller drives, this is a massive chunk of space taken up by features they might never use. You can safely delete this file without breaking your browser. Chrome will not crash, and your regular browsing experience will remain completely normal. However, there is a major catch. If you simply navigate to the folder and delete the file, Chrome will quietly download it all over again the next time you launch the browser. To get rid of it permanently, you must disable the underlying feature first. To do this, open Google Chrome on your computer. Move your cursor to the top right corner. Click on the 3 vertical dots and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the Settings tab opens, look at the left-hand navigation panel, scroll down and click on System. In the main area, look for the option labeled On-Device AI. Right now, this toggle is likely switched on. Click the toggle to switch it off. Now, if you are using an older version of Chrome, you might not see this toggle. In that case, you need to access Chrome's hidden internal menu. Go to your address bar, type chrome://flags, and press Enter. In the search bar at the top of that page, type Enables Optimization Guide on Device and switch that specific setting from enabled to disabled. So, now let's take a look at your computer. Once you turn this feature off, Chrome is supposed to clean up after itself and delete the file automatically. To make sure it is completely gone, you can manually verify the folder. Open your Windows File Explorer and type this %localappdata/Google/Chrome/userdata in the address bar. Scroll down until you find a folder named OptGuideOnDeviceModel. If that folder or the weights.bin file is still sitting there, you can safely select it and hit Delete. Because you turned the setting off first, Chrome will never download it again.